This is Unit 6A, Day 1, and we are doing function transformations, specifically translations up and down. The first thing that we need to do, this is example 1 from the homework. This is from the notes. This is not the homework problem because there's only one. So the first thing that we have to do is graph the function f of x equals x squared. If you remember from our last unit, this is a parabola, and it is going to start right here in the origin. And it's going to have dots there. Again, yours will be better than mine. And then okay, so this is basically f of x equals x squared. Make sure that you label. That's going to be very, very, very important in this unit. If you use your graphing calculator, you'll then enter the next function, which is g of x, or y equals, as you know, x squared plus 5. Now, actually, I mean, you don't even truly need to put this into your graphing calculator, because all you're going to do is translate your entire quadratic function up 5 spaces. That's what the plus means, all right, that we're going to go up. We're going to go up the y-axis 5. So count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your vertex. And then we're going to go to each point. So you're going to come down here, and you're going to count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to end up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the other side. And you're going to continue to do that. Now, the last one is not going to fit, but it would be up even higher. You go ahead, you connect those points. Better on your paper than on mine. And then you need to label g of x equals x squared plus 5. Now we have to answer the question, how is the graph of g of x, our second one, related to the graph of f of x? I mean, they look the same, right? So, except for they're in different places. So we have to pick out what is different. All right? And what we're going to say is that g of x, because we started with g of x, right? So g of x, so we have to, in our answer, is, and just tell exactly what happened. It's shifted up 5 units. Shifted up 5 units. There you go, you have your answer. Now, if you need to write it in notation, we have to write t, translation, x, comma, because our x stayed the same, right? Our x is still 0. It's the, that's where our vertex points are. So x is the same. Y, we added 5. So this is what tells, that tells exactly what you did over here.